Hey guys, welcome to the Property Chat with me, KG, and in this video we're going to look at bond switching. What does it mean, what does it entail, and what are the banks that are offering you better home loans in South Africa. So this video is for those people who are sitting home and they are more stressed, they are under duress, they are under stress because in 2021 affording their home loans and they were paying it peacefully every month without any stress. But rates went up, a whole lot of things happened right after COVID, and as such they cannot afford their home loans anymore because it went up either by 2,000, 2,500, 5,000, 6,000, and even 12,000 rents. Therefore, it causing a whole lot of anxiety. You're thinking maybe it's time for me to just sell this house and go and rent and but I have a solution for you. So stick around, listen up, do your research, and if it's this something that you think it can solve your problems, then go ahead and do it. And if you know anybody who can benefit from this, share this video with them. Just click the share button, copy that link and post it to them. And for those of you who are new, welcome to the Property Chat with me, KG. K to the G to the G to the G, zo. And those of you that are returning, thank you so much for returning. You are again welcome, and we're super excited to have you, and we're hoping to hit on 400 subscribers soon, so please help me out to reach that. So let's go into the details without wasting any time. What is a bond switch? Okay, before we start bond switch, I mentioned to you that their properties went up like crazy. So 2021, if you took a bond for 750,000, you were paying back 5,815 in 2021 September. That was 7%. And then in 2024, just recently in May, you are paying 8,128. That's a whopping change of 2,313 rands. That's a big change. And remember, there was no change into a salary. There was no big change into our salary. That's like 39% change onto your bond. Just your bond alone. We're not talking food, we're not talking transport, we're not talking petrol, just bond. So that's a big dent, 39% change. Is there anybody receiving that kind of salary adjustment increment at the moment? If you know that person, if you know anybody, let me know in the comment section. But I've never heard of such unless you are executive CEO of a particular company and they are letting you go. That's when you get that crazy percentage. For 4 million bond, mortgage, home loan, the change is 12,000. So they were paying 31,000 plus. Now they're paying 43,000 plus. That's a big stress. So if you're stressed, there's something that's called bond switch. And actually bond switch is nothing new. It has been around for many years. I would say it's been around since the beginning of home loan things. It's just that we didn't know about it. Or we knew about it, but it was not trending as it is at the moment. Bond switch is basically you moving from the bank that you have your home loan with and you're moving on to the next one. You're moving from bank A to bank B. And the big question is, why are you moving? Why are you moving? It's like you're migration. There's reason for migrations. And you must move from one point to another. The Khoi people, the Khoisan people moved from one point to another because they had reasons why they were doing that. So why they move? You will find that quite a lot of people are moving because the next bank, the other bank, is offering them better rates. It's offering them better services because some banks' services are shit. Therefore, you don't want to stick around. You just want to leave. And there's a consolidation and the bank says, okay, you have 5 debts that you pay, the quality that you pay in per month. So we're going to put all of them together for you as the bank, and we will say only pay one payment per month. So you put them together. And the other banks, they're giving you a better rate for your home loan. So there's a lot of reasons we changing from one bank to another. Let's get into the detail. What does this mean? This means that the bank buys out your debt from the previous bank. You had a Scholot with bank A, so bank B is buying your Scholot. So it's just taking over your Scholot. That's what it entails. That's what it means. And this is what happens. It goes, the instruction goes to the deeds office. There's change of title deeds, and hala, you are with bank A now. And why is it trending now? One, the interest rates are crazy, 11.75. The second one is there's one bank that is super exciting at the moment, and it's making home loan more like a game, like have fun. Because at the moment, the home loan thing is boring. 30 years, you pay this much and continue paying every month. Nothing exciting. You diligently, religiously paying every month. Nothing is exciting about that. But the bank that says, we can make this exciting. And they are. I'm about to let you know about that bank. That's one bank I know. I don't know any other. If I missed any bank, let me know. And as we continue, if you find this video informative, educational, and it's taking a whole lot of our property boxes, don't be shy to hit on the subscribe button, to hit on the like button, comment, let me know what you're learning. Let's keep it going. And you don't know how much that is helping on my channel to grow the channel. So like, share, let me know what you think, and let's move over. So how fast can we do that? It's easier, it's faster because of technology. Technology is reaching maturity state. If you buy a house, traditional home buying a house takes us between 45 to 65 days because it's a lot of process that you have to go through, and you have to change the house from the previous owner to your name. You have to clear the rates and taxes, electricity clearance, the water bill, and a whole lot of things need to be clear before they change that property onto your name. But with bond switching, they don't have to do a whole lot of that. They just need to change the lender, the bank, from A to B, and that's it. So what are the costs? What are you going to pay? You're going to pay for English again. Conveyance. Basically the lawyer cost. You're going to pay for that. Let me not complicate my life. And it's going to go to the deeds office. Banks often absorb those costs because they're not massive costs, depending on how much that home loan is. And the banks, actually, they see a value in having you for that 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. That is why the banks are taking over the cost. So, Discovery Bank home loans, this is the bank I wanted to tell you about. They are not paying me. I've just read and I've applied. I'm waiting for my results. I'm in a process at the moment. That's why I'm sharing with you. They're not paying me any cent. And if Discovery Bank watches this and you think I'm doing good work by putting out your name out there, man, pay me for my work. Okay, so Discovery Bank, actually, you can apply. They say you can apply. You can do a bond switch. You can refinance your bond on the app. It takes about 5 minutes. And you speak to a consultant. You select the repayment plan, terms, how long you want to pay it up to. But it's all up to 30 years. So you can go 10, 20, 15, whatever that makes you happy. And you can, 3 people can apply for that bond. Lawyer fees, they say you can save up to 50%. So they make it more interesting. So you can pay up to 1% less if you manage your money well. So they want you to take care of your money. They want you to manage your monies properly. Don't just blow it up. And if you do, the percentage, the interest go down. So now it's 11.75. So if you do take care of your money, you drop it by 1%, it's going to be 10.75. That's a big change. Do the calculations and let me know what's the difference if you're taking a bond for 400,000 and they drop it by 1%. Let me know how much will that be, because my mathematics is not mathematicsing sometimes. But let's continue. So that's Discovery, just mentioned to you, Discovery Bank Home Loan. And the game that they're playing, they say they are ecosystem. Ecosystem basically involves all the products that you take from the bank. The life cover, home loan, Discovery revolving credit facility. That's like you're getting a credit for whatever you want to do. You can buy furniture, do paint, you do renovation. Maybe you want to send your children to school. And they're also looking at Discovery Miles. That's your shopping, online shopping at Macro, Game, Take-A-Lot, and a whole lot of those shops. There's Discovery Solar as well. So the more product you have, the more your interest go down. The more product, lesser interest. And they just saying they are the future of home loans, because they're doing something that no bank, nobody has done in this beautiful country of ours. And do not just go and run and say, KG said it, therefore I believe him and I'm going to move. Man, don't do that. That's the biggest mistake. I'm just pointing you to the right direction. I'm not saying this is the definite thing and it works, therefore go and do it. I'm saying to you, this might be an option for you. So check it out. Means go read, go do your research, learn, call, ask them questions. Is this something that I can do? If yes, then I'm super excited for you. If no, try something else, because there's a lot of things that you can do in this life to get what you want or to solve your current problems, which is crazy interest rate, massive change onto your bond repayment, and it's causing a lot of anxiety and stress. I feel you, I'm with you. That's why I created this video. And if you like this video, you will definitely going to like this video. And if you are serious about learning and investing in the real estate, in property, in the back rooms, go kasi, in your kasi, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and we will see you on the next one.